Hey, Bob Trade Genius here again. Weekend of the 21st of July, and just kind of scrolling the world here. I seen this article before, but then I don't, one about New York popped up today too. I just want to give people a heads up. If you own a home, this is what they're going to do to you. Okay, the cities and states are broke, and they're electing more and more and more extreme left politicians, and they're going after property taxes, or they're going after apartment owners, and they're going to take it out of their hide. And for most people, the property tax, like anything else, is just deflationary. And Illinois has been on this hamster wheel of death here for the last 20 years. Home prices keep falling in the Illinois, Chicago area because every year they raise the cost of the property tax per assessed value. And then what happens is it lowers the tax base because all the homes are now reassessed, and then they turn around and raise the rate again to make up for the shortfall. And so you go on and on and on until it blows up. And then in New York, this is what's happening. Okay, so they this rent stabilization is taking a really hard turn, and basically it's making it impossible for people at current prices of the properties to really own these properties. And so it's just not a good investment. And you can make the argument, hey, prices are too high, blah 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 blah. But it doesn't really matter if it how we feel about it. It's really the economics. People aren't going to invest in something if they can't get a return in it. And and but here's the downside for the city. They think it's a no cost to them. And then if you go down to the bottom of this article here, they're going to lose $2 billion in a budget because their projections are that the prices of these apartments are going to lose value. Well, they're, if they get if they get these new stabilization laws put in place, everybody's going to go ahead and file or sue for reassessment of their appraised value, and then it's going to lower the cost or the price of the tax that has to be paid. So there's no free lunch from the government. They choose not to build more to create more supply. They just always are working on the demand side, and it's just easier for them because then they could try to solve the problem year over year until the whole system just blows up. And this is not the only area that's just happening in. You're starting to see pockets of it. You're hearing grumblings now in California to revise Prop 13, and I certainly expect to see that be assaulted here. Once we go into budget deficits out here. So just stand by. I mean, they're going to do everything they can to maintain the power and privilege of their supporters by taking it out on everybody else. You guys have a great day. I just thought I'd get you in the mood here for some trading, and wait till they can't keep the stock market under control. Katie bar the door. Catch you guys later. Bye.